Before you do this experiment, make sure you have a parent or guardian present to help you, since this experiment involves boiling water. Today we're going to be making and talking about the science behind rock candy. If you didn't already know, rock candy is a form of crystallized simple syrup, a mixture of sugar and water. Before we explain how it works, however, let's make some. To start, you'll need 6 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, a pan or pot to boil that water in, 2 to 3 drops of food coloring, optional, a container such as a mason jar, clothespins, and a popsicle stick. Firstly, take 2 cups of water and pour them into the pan that's on the stove. Bring the water to a boil with the help of a parent or guardian. Then start adding the sugar 1 cup at a time. Before you add each cup, stir the previous one into the water. Once you finish stirring all of the sugar into water, turn off the stove and let the mixture cool for around 20 to 30 minutes. You don't want it to be hot. If you have food coloring, this is the time to add 3 drops and stir it in. Take the popsicle sticks and dip them in water, then roll them in sugar. Next, clean whatever containers you're using with hot water and pour the simple syrup into them. Finally, use clothespins to prop the popsicle sticks up so they're hanging into the container, but around 1 inch away from the bottom and sides. Carefully place the jars into a cool place that's not in the sun and cover them with a cloth or loose plastic wrap. Check back in around 2 to 4 hours. If crystals aren't beginning to form on the popsicle sticks, then reboil the water and add some more sugar. Then repeat this process. After this, wait a few days till a week until the rock candy has fully formed and you're done. So, why does this happen? It happens because of a process called crystallization. Crystallization is the act of a liquid mixture becoming a solid. This happens when water or another liquid evaporates that has the maximum amount of solid dissolved into it already. Evaporation is when liquids get hotter than the air around them. Because the liquid is hotter, it rises up and turns into a gas. Those dissolved solids have to go somewhere when the liquid evaporates, so they end up squishing together, forming a crystal. For example, in our experiment, the water is completely filled up with sugar, and when that water evaporates, the sugar crystallizes onto the stick, forming rock candy.
That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning about rock candy and crystallization.